I don't know who needs to hear this, but don't keep buying similar type of festive wear outfits which you already have in your wardrobe. Keep trying different styles, and if you're somebody who is looking for different styles, then this video is for you. I have found not just 2, 3, but 7 festive wear options, and some of them are so elegant and not too flashy that you can even wear it for your office. And some of them are so stylish that you can wear it as a bridesmaid and look little hatke in the crowd. All these outfits are from Myntra. So let's talk about the first one. This maroon, which is more like a tomato and beetroot red kind of color, anarkali, is very elegant and has a very traditional touch to it. And the embroideries are so intricate and delicate. It has got sequins work. This color is so pretty that you will feel all festive. This particular color suits all the Indian skin tones, not too flashy, not too dull, and perfect for the festive season. And I wore this even during my pregnancy, so this was very comfortable, especially in the fuller area of my belly. The dupatta, the kurta, all of it has very beautiful, elegant, traditional work. I'll be adding the brand details and the current price on the screen. Moving on to the next outfit is this pre-draped sari which I'm wearing. It has got this ruffled pallu. Very easy to wear. The blouse has got this band. Initially, I was not sure why this band is a bit loose. I thought for certain body type it will not be fitting well. But then later when I draped it, I understood that this loose band is going to be all perfect once you put your pallu in it. It's a nice sleeveless high neck blouse and has a diagonal cut here, which looks more elegant compared to the straight cuts. And the color is nice peacock blue. And this is very much festive. It will make you stand out as a bridesmaid, and it can also be a perfect office wear outfit during this festive season. And most important, it's comfortable. You don't have to worry about your pleats coming off from anywhere. Recently, I attended a birthday function with my baby, and I just realized that every time I was lifting my baby, and I felt that my pleats might come off even though I had pinned it properly, but my phobia was there. So that is when I decided that until the baby grows up, I'm buying 2, 3 pre-draped sarees for the festive season or for the functions to attend, because these are super comfortable, easy to wear, and no fear about anything coming off from anywhere. And it has this nice golden work going on here. It's a print, not embroidery. So I would suggest that you do a hand wash and not a machine wash, because sometimes this golden work does come off. Overall, a very pretty elegant outfit for this price. Wearing this, you don't have to worry about anything. You can comfortably sit and get up, dance around, do all the hectic work. So you can wear it for those hectic days when you feel that you will have a long festive day. You want to look good but also comfortable. Moving on to the next outfit is this pink anarkali, and this is a gorgeous embroidered anarkali. Has a nice soft pink color, intricate details, and this will make you feel like a fairy. It will make you feel like that soft curl, but a desi version of it. The network, the detail, everything was very beautiful. Some nets are a little harsh on the skin, but this was very soft and comfortable. And even the dupatta of it has a nice border design which definitely stands out. Baby pink color is any day a beautiful color, even though it's not flashy, but you definitely stand out in the crowd when you wear such colors. It makes you look fresh, elegant, pretty. I just felt very pretty in it. The whole outfit had the same embroidery design going around, right from the sleeves to the flare. And the flare is good. Some anarkalis don't have the right flare. This one had the perfect flare. If I had ordered one size smaller than the outfit I'm wearing, it would have been perfect for me. Moving on to the next outfit is this nice pastel yellow, more like a butter yellow. It has very pretty detailed work. If you're somebody who loves Pakistani suits, which has nice bell sleeves, then this is something which you should check out, because it has got nice detailed embroidered work. It's not too flashy but also not very plain, so you can definitely wear it as a festive wear. The whole outfit had sequins and embroidered work. You can wear it as a festive wear, and you can also wear it as an office wear. I had made a reel where I had shown how I would swap this outfit if I have to wear it as a guest look and also as an office outfit. You can just simplify your accessories and make it look elegant enough for work. And if you go all out in accessories, then you can wear it as a guest wear or also during your festive season. Moving on to this navy blue kurta set, and this looks a bit like anarkali but doesn't have too much flare, but has good flare in the front. And this is not a typical traditional anarkali. It gives a very modern vibe. The embroidery work is also not very traditional. Only the upper part of the outfit has nice detailed work, and the bottom is plain, and the dupatta is definitely a standout one. The color is beautiful, the neckline is pretty. Even this one I wore for my pregnancy, and it was very comfortable around the belly area. If you're pregnant and you feel that you have to buy a lot of clothes, then make sure that you don't buy too much which you cannot rewear. If you invest in outfits like this, which is like an anarkali or a pleated waistline, then you can wear them not just during pregnancy, you can also wear it later and they'll not be sitting simply in your cupboard. Moving on to the next outfit is this gorgeous maroon quad set. Disclaimer, wear this outfit only if you want to stand out in the crowd, you want to look little huggy, because this will definitely make you look the best. This is more like Indo-Western corset. The lowers are more like a dhoti pant. The top had 3/4 sleeves. I just love maroon color, and this was a pretty version of a maroon color. It had that little blackish maroon. You know what I mean? For this price, I could not find any other Indo-Western which was more of a festive wear. And most important, this quad set was definitely the most versatile piece because you can wear it in multiple ways. You can use the top and use it for your sari, you can wear it with your skirt, and the bottom you can wear it with a shirt, a satin shirt. There are multiple ways to style it. I tried wearing it with different pieces in my wardrobe. I'll be adding the reel here. When you buy any outfit, make sure that you check if you can rewear them in 3 to 5 different ways minimum. Only then invest in that. And this was one such classic piece. And the embroidery work was also in the maroon color, which I feel looks more elegant. Had it been in golden, it would have been fine, but having a maroon beadwork details going on, that made it look more elevated. And the last outfit is this one. This is definitely not very flashy festive wear, but it's perfect for your office wear during the festive season because it has that nice muted blue, good embroidery, which is in red color, which makes it pop out. The material gives a silk finish, which is definitely a festive wear. You cannot wear it for a regular day. For those who prefer wearing elegant festive wear, which are not too flashy on the eyes, then this is a perfect go-to option. The dupatta has nice cut work, embroidery, and organza kind of material, which overall made it look very elegant. I hope you found these suggestions helpful, and if you did, then please take a moment to like this video or also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So that's it. We have come to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.